The money is in the list. There are many big name marketing gurus out there that have said just that many times. Do you know what? It's actually true when done the right way. I'm going to explain to you 5 easy steps to make that happen. Ready? Step 1. You've created that lead magnet, exchanged it for an email address. If you're not sure how to do that, just watch my previous video. And you are going to start collecting those email addresses. Now look, it doesn't matter if you have 1, 1,000, 10,000 plus. This is a really important part to making those sales. Now listen closely to these next few steps. Step 1. What email software are you going to use? For those that are on a budget who don't want to spend any money, there are plenty of free email software options out there. MailChimp is probably the most popular one, but have a look. Just think, if you're going to grow, is it a platform that you'd want to stay on or want to move away from? You can export and import your customer list from platform to platform, so just have a bit of a look. But it is certainly a cheaper way to go. Alternatively, there's nothing wrong with setting up even just a simple Excel spreadsheet and entering people's names and addresses onto that spreadsheet. You can also then use Gmass, which is Google's Gmail's way of sending mass emails. What I do want you to do though is just respect everyone's privacy and make sure that you really securely store your Excel spreadsheets on a computer that's not accessible to the general public. You have something really valuable, which is somebody's email address, and they've entrusted you with that. So just keep that in mind. Okay, step 2. Work out what sequence would be most beneficial in your business. A sequence is a collection of emails that you set up automatically when somebody does something in your business. They might ask you for their lead magnet. They might purchase something. They might leave something abandoned in their cart. Even a simple newsletter sequence might be really handy, which is where you can send out emails weekly, fortnightly, or whatever's perfect for your perfect customer. If it's for nurturing, then that email sequence for a newsletter is absolutely perfect. If it's to try and increase sales, maybe try the abandoned cart email sequence. Alright, step 3, crafting your emails. So start with your welcome sequence. That's the one that starts just after you send your lead magnet. Now, depending on which way you learn best, you might want to start by writing a whole bunch of emails on even post-it notes or in a Word document or straight into that email software. But have a think about this. You've just sent your lead magnet. Then over the course of the next few days, talk about you. Just be yourself. Talk about your company, and more importantly, tell the customer why they mattered to you. Now, I suggest to start with 3 to 5 emails, and then as you work out what works best for your dream customer, move it up from that. Step 4. The next sequence I want you to write about is the newsletter sequence. Something that you can send to your potential customers each week, or month, or day. Test out a few things and see what works best for your customers without annoying them. Make it really informative. Tell them about your products every now and then, but just don't be sell. Make your email something that they look forward to. You then have a whole ecosystem started where you can start seeing traction of buying. Set this up now and you will start seeing the benefits really soon. Subscribe to find out more tips and tricks to selling your products. And if you want to increase your Reels views to start seeing traction on Instagram, just click here. You'll be able to turn your followers into buyers.